What is going on today, everybody? I hope you're having a fantastic day. I was, but now I am. Anyways, lo and behold, long story short, this bad boy broke on me. Broke on me pretty good, so I tried piecing it together. Didn't quite work out too well. Got the old 3D printer out. 3D printed me a sweet new nozzle. Made it past the no-wake zone, and I broke it right off the rib. So, I went and ordered a nice Oceanpro one. It said it wasn't going to be here for, almost a month. It's the only one I could find. Blowsion doesn't have any, and I just could not find one anywhere. Found this Oceanpro one and pulled the trigger on it. Said it was going to be here in a month, so I printed some more 3D printed models, and hopefully I could get by. Well, it came in this morning. So, I've been so stoked on trying to get this thing on that I just can't stand it. It's now dark outside, and I'm going to put this thing on. So let's go ahead, get this Oceanpro nozzle put on, and let's get back to ripping. So first thing I want to take care of before I take and put this on the ski, it's just going to be easier to maneuver and hang around with, is make sure that that center fin, I don't know why it's not like sharp. Why would it have, I don't know. To me, it makes more sense to make it sharp, have a lot less resistance going for the water, splitting it easier than hitting a wall. I know it's not much and it's on a jet, but I mean, every little bit counts, right? Ounces lead to horsepower in the end. So, we're going to go ahead, knife edge this, make it a little bit smoother, and make the pitch nice and easy for water to split and go around instead of just hitting a wall and bouncing back. It just makes sense in my mind. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Well, we've done the knife blade, as you've seen, and now we've got more problems. It actually hits on a couple things inside of the housing area, or what it rides on, the jet pump. So if you notice, if we swing it all the way this way, I've got a pretty good like 2-finger gap, and if I swing it this way, I've got a 1-finger gap. So now we got to figure out why the heck it's doing that, and I think I found the problem, and I don't know why, but they don't have the knockout right here like the stock one does. See, the stock has a knockout right there. That knockout is to go around this piece right here, the Venturi system. So now I have to go ahead and modify that as well as do the interior sides, because it's also hitting on the nozzle itself in there. So I've gone ahead, clearanced both sides just enough to get more movement out of it, but I'm still hanging up right here on this side where that Venturi system is. So let's go ahead, we'll notch this out and get it back probably to this O right here, and then try it again. Here we go. So it's pretty close to the factory bump out. It's not quite perfect, it's not deep enough, but I think I've got enough clearance now because I didn't need much. So let's put it on the old jet ski and see kind of where we're at. It's kind of disappointing. I put, what, $200 into this thing, and I've been doing nothing but modifications on it. So let's check it, and then we'll go ahead and paint it all up. There we go. That's a lot better. Now I got 1 finger and 1 finger. So I've got full range of motion now. I don't know if we're going to need that. Actually, let's check real quick. Check to see if we even need that with our steering. So no, we're even like 1.5 fingers and 1.5 fingers. So we're hitting the stops up on the bars before we're hitting the stop where this is hitting something. So that's much better. Kind of see in there. Let's get a flashlight. Now you can see that bumps. Yeah, kind of. They were knocked out around the bump right there. So you can see where it was hitting before, And now it's got enough clearance to make it buy it. Well, it's just going to be too hard to show you, but trust me, I mean, I've got full range of motion, and it's not hitting anything, so that's a huge plus. Now, if I need to, I can make the hole, I think, a little bit closer in the on the arm, and give me even quicker response with it. But for right now, we're going to try it out. We're going to get it to where it's working, and then we'll modify it again, I guess, how we want to. So let's go ahead and pull this back off, get it painted, greased up, and then put back on. Well, awesome. We got this thing all painted up now. Looks nice and fresh. I'm going to go ahead and let this dry tonight, and then put it on the ski and take it out tomorrow. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I know I am, because we're going to take this thing out to the water tomorrow. Seems like every weekend I've got something going on with it, so hopefully this is the last couple things. I mean, it's a 30-year-old sled, I get it, but it's time to start having fun every weekend and not have to work on it during the week. So hopefully this is it. Fingers crossed. It seems to be running a lot better. Seems to be doing a lot better, so let's get this on, done, and get it out on the water. I'll catch you guys on the next video. You take it easy. Peace.